to make the present tense of the A group of verbs. Verbs in infinitive, in Croatian language, infinitive means in its initial form, when before you put them in any tense, they end in ti, t, or chi. To make the present tense, we have to drop ti, and the vowel, the last vowel that's left, will tell you what ending of verbs to use. So we are dropping ti, a vowel is left, which means we're using endings am, ash, a, amo, ate, aju to make the present tense. Imam, imaš, ima, and plural, imamo, imate, imaju. And that works for all regular verbs that end in ati, like čitati, kuhati, spavati. So for example, we drop ti and use the same endings. Kuham, kuhaš, kuha, kuhamo, kuhate i kuhaju.